Yo, what is up? It's Ivan Q back with another video. Let me a second. Yeah, pretty simple day today. Um, Going from 9:30. I actually didn't got into the charts until like around the chop. I was pooping. But yeah, all jokes aside, yeah, I mean, I was in the toilet just marking out the highs and lows. So this is the highs and lows. I think this was some sort of high, which was London. I don't know why London doesn't. Yeah, but it was London. I was bullish throughout the day. Um, Higher time frame looked bullish to me, and then yeah, um, yeah. So we were chopping a little bit here, chopping just a little bit. Honestly, I was I was this close to entering here, but I was looking at ES. I was like, I was like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know how to feel about it. I didn't really like it because we just left London. Basically at market open. So I was like, I was really waiting on London basically. This is what the black line was. So we created SMT. I'm pretty sure we've been had the SMT, but whatever. And then we created this bullish SMT, right? But we created this bullish SMT, right? Yeah, we created this bullish SMT with this candle, and then we had a whatever, and then boom, we started pushing up. We also created bearish SMT, which was like, I was like, okay, whatever. If we start pushing past this low, we break the SMT, and then we get some sort of rebound, and then boom. I was willing to take that because I'm not gonna take a short into this Bessie here or whatever. I wasn't gonna take a short from that inside it, or like especially if it's untapped. So the scenario here with this candle, right? I was like, okay, whatever. We push down, we get like displacement, we break this SMT on ES as well. Okay, we get a little rebalance, just fake some full people in some longs, and then boom, we short towards these lows, which I had marked out. So I believe was, but now we just boom, we long, and then boom, right here we break that low, break that high. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that was low key risky now that I think about it. Holy smokes. But yeah, I mean, after that, this was London, right? So pushed forward, boom. I was expecting immediate delivery lower if we were like low key like bearish, but we didn't. So we rebalanced into this candle. I was like, all right. I was looking at ES. I was like, ES low key wants some Asia. So I was like, all right, let me long. Boom. TP in 1 minute. Not even 1 minute, 30 seconds to be honest. Although we did win, I would prefer if I took this. This was like what I was looking for really. But this was a little bit risky. Not gonna lie. I put that in my journal, but this was the trade that I was like, okay, like it was like barbecue chicken. Like this was so A plus as hell. Only reason why I took this is because when I was back testing like last night, I saw these type of scenarios come up through time and time again. Especially if you know the narrative, like if you're so confident in the narrative. But me personally, I wouldn't really see me taking these type of setups too often, in my opinion. It's a little bit too aggressive. So yeah, but like this was like the preferred setup. I hope y'all don't hear that. SMT, boom. We create SMT, immediate displacement higher, and then you can really call it inversion value gap, whatever, inversion basically, and then boom, we take it out here to target 30 points, and then boom, you move on with your day. Or you could have done something like this. But right now, I'm ready to for consistency with this this strategy before I should continue taking these, before I like look for higher RR. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade for today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I see y'all tomorrow. Probably with another late upload, like around maybe 9 tomorrow, same time if I do trade. If I find this up, because I'm gonna be working. So yeah, y'all be blessed. Y'all take care, man. God bless you all.